Hi there, are you planning to upgrade to Solity Digital Lock Bundle for your door and gate? Let's make sure your door and gate are a perfect fit for your new Solity Digital Lock Bundle. Watch this video with me, and I'll walk you through a quick checklist to ensure a super smooth installation. Firstly, let's measure the gap between your door and gate. Make sure it's between 7 to 14 centimeters. If that gap is less than 7 centimeters, then unfortunately, it's not suitable for installation. If the gap is within the suitable range, let's look at other details. If your door and gate swing open in different directions, and their handles are positioned differently, you can proceed with the installation. If the handles of your door and gate are positioned similarly, but at a different height, you can proceed with the installation too. But if the handles of your door and gate position similarly, and at the same height, you have to make sure the gap is minimal 15 centimeters. Now, let's decide where your digital gate lock will be placed. For your HDB or new BTO gate, you can consider replacing your gate handle with G1 or GD65B gate lock. For custom gates without handles, G1 gate lock installation requires pre-cut holes. On-site cutting by our team will have an extra charge. Alternatively, the GD65B gate lock can be installed without any cutting. If you wish to keep your existing handle, we can install the GD65 gate lock on a different location on your gate. However, if your gate lacks space for the GD65B, a metal plate will be added to your gate for the lock's installation. Now, to confirm your installation schedule, please send us these information. Send us a picture of your gate and door, followed by the gap measurement between the door and gate. Also send us a picture of the side view of your door. You can send all those information to our WhatsApp.